Yeah, we'll give a quick review on the plugs to go. I bought a couple plugs to go in this Yeti cooler. I've had this Yeti cooler for a while, but my son borrowed it, and somehow when it came back, the plug was missing. So I hadn't been able to use it, but I went ahead and bought this pack of 2, so that way I have an extra one in case another one got missing. It's got a good little seal on it, so you don't have to worry about it leaking. It screws right in, easy to install. Just screw it out a little bit, and it'll let the water flow, so it's easy to drain. Like I said, I bought a pack of 2. That way, in case something happened to it, I would still have another one. So if you're looking for a good drain plug for a Yeti cooler, check this out. It has a good gasket. Works really good.